Hello everyone, and welcome to another CLK Video Productions tutorial. My name is Chris, and today we're going to remove some stubborn black stains and other unwanted crap on white lettering tires. This can also be done on white wall tires, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and mess around with this, see if we can get this crap out, okay? What I use, and this is an industry little secret that I did back in the day when I was a mechanic and tire guy and service manager and all that stuff, is whenever we had black markings like this, so we would clean it out with WD-40. So we're going to try some WD and see if we can get that crap out, okay? Also, we'll get the blue crap out of the, you know, because there's a blue coating on white walls and white letters when you buy the tires. It's to help protect during transport. But still, the tires are rubbing against each other, so you'll still get black scuffing and markings and stuff like that on there. All the blue stuff. These guys are stubborn, but we got some of it out. WD is like miracle stuff to me. I mean, it does so much crap. Okay, we got a lot of this crap out. There's still a little bit, but I'm going to try some more. And when I'm done with this, I am going to clean the WD off and put some nice tire wet on there so it looks a little better. Okay, we got a lot of the black crap out. Got all the blue stain out. The guy who washed the tire at the shop wasn't able to get all the blue stain out, but we got it all out, so they're white again. We still have a little tint of the scuff right there and here, but we got most of the crap out. Definitely not going to be noticeable from a distance, and will look even prettier when I get the tire stuff on it, the tire wet spray on there. It looks awesome. Alright, you guys, well, that was it. Just a quick brief little thing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you have notifications from us when we put out new material. Alright, thanks you guys. You take care. This is Chris, signing off.